updates. Hi guys and welcome to another vlog. This is the BMW 3 Series, the 340i. The car came last night actually, and I've also been shooting the Jeep Compass, and there's also the Volkswagen Tiguan All Space right now somewhere. I can see it parked, similar color that is. Now today is a Sunday morning. I feel so sleepy, but I had to get up early because Noren actually has a shoot with Audi. What is that all about? Well, we'll talk about it in the car because as usual, we are running late again. And we are here at Ballard Pier for the shoot of Aurat Ke Din. Aurat Ke Din. Women's Day shoot with Audi. So Audi has called her for a Women's Day shoot, which video would be coming, I think, जब तक ये video गया होगा तब तक तो आ ही गया होगा उनकी social media पे.
I'm not sure even if it's a video or a
photo shoot. I don't know, but the drive was amazing in the morning. It was so fantastic. This is such an amazing car. I just love it. I in fact love it more than even maybe the M5 because usable power, the tires.
I was telling this to you.
चल झूठी.
Yeah, I like this more than M5 or M8 because इसका tires इतने low profile नहीं है, ground clearance better है, so that you cannot drive on Indian roads, but this you can drive on Indian roads. I told everything. सारा copy paste करो ना.
एक second.
Oh God, why don't I forget? I should not talk when the camera is not on.
Tires do not matter.
It does.
The driver matters.
It
the
does.
person who's driving the car,
Does.
that matters. Anyways, the plan is she's going to go for the shoot. And I am just going to sit outside, stare at the beautiful BMW 340i because it's such a lovely car. It's so amazing. The driving feel is just another level altogether. The engine sings and then it reaches 7,000 RPM. In fact, call आ गया Audi वाले से. Nuren has gone for the Audi shoot right now and the atmosphere here is absolutely electric because I think at least 50-60 people are playing cricket right now. There's some shoot happening with some motorcycles, so you can see all these big motorcycle superbikes being ridden around and professional shoot. I mean, पूरा crew है, all that damn vanity van, सब कुछ है यहाँ पर. And you can see a lot of the cars like a Supra, C63, E63, a lot of these cars because everyone seems to have come for a Sunday drive here as well. So really electric environment. Now since I have 1 hour to kill, actually I wanted to sit in the car and play around with stuff to know more about this BMW, but since interior the same है 330i and 320d जैसा तो ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं, so I'm going to read that big fat brochure or rather the big fat product information which BMW has sent me about this car to understand better what the 340i is all about. वैसे चला के तो सब पता चल ही गया है, but करना पड़ता है कभी-कभी.
Looking down from a house on the hill, staring up at the strangers you will find yourself alone. If you find yourself alone, put that to bed.
Mumbai feels so electric in the morning now, especially on Sundays. Everyone is out there. Someone is cycling, someone is playing, someone is like cricket. तो बहुत लोग ही खेलते हैं. गली cricket तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही culture है. यहाँ पे I've come to Marine Drive right now. Atmosphere is fantastic. यहाँ पे I'm just going to sit for some time near the sea, whatever. उधर soak in some fresh air and then get back to driving this beautiful BMW. मतलब इतना मजा आ रहा है ना चला के. I didn't expect the 340i to be so good, but it is, and I've always loved the such kind of variants of the car rather than the full blown ones because full blown में क्या होता है ना, टायर का थोड़ा issue होता है. Too much power. You really cannot use it every day.
Same kind of pain. Celebrate when you fight off the shame. Feelings like the weather. But hold on to me, brother. Try this instead. I'm carrying peace and love that ain't.
Finally, after roaming all of Mumbai, Nuren is here. And of course, this is the BMW. She's in an Audi Q8. This is the 55 TFSI. Let's ask her what has been her experience driving the car. So tell me, Nuren, how did you like the whole experience of becoming a woman celebrity on Women's Day? Technically it is not
It
women's.
was really nice. It's not like becoming a women celebrity, but it's basically about empowering women जो हो रहा था, तो it was very nice.
कैसे करते हैं empower जरा हमें भी बताओ ना. Because I understand if you want to empower someone.
कोई फायदा नहीं है because you will never empower women.
1 second. If you want to empower anybody, you need empower.
Listen, this is Audi car. You cannot get this into it, okay?
This or the Mercedes GLC 43
You're not going to ask
AMG.
this kind of questions, alright?
Right, Lena. Actually, the competitor is not the GLC.
Yeah, but then
I'm
either
just saying
way-
because since you have sat in that car, that's why I was saying.
Yeah, you're not gonna ask me such questions, and I'm not gonna say anything for that.
Look at people becoming politically correct. एक बार
Yes,
Audi ने
not
बुला दिया तो अलग ही level ना. After making me wait for almost 4 hours, Noren is finally here. ये पीस का
hours.
मतलब
2
क्या है?
hours.
Still 2 hours she made me wait. 2 hours में मैंने पूरे मुंबई का सैर कर दिया. BMW को हर जगह घुमा के अच्छे से राइड क्वालिटी जज कर दी, एक्सेलरेशन जज कर दिया, हैंडलिंग जज कर दी, everything. And quite a few people also saw me and they waved at me. So anyways, Audi gave her this goodie bag for coming for this shoot. It says future is an attitude. Actually मेरा present ही attitude है तो फिर ये bag मैं नहीं रख पाऊंगा. And there is this t-shirt inside. Now I'm going to keep this because I waited for so long.
एक second.
ये size-
Will not fit you.
ये size
Size
S
क्या
है.
है? S है,
S है
हाँ.
तो I can get into an S because I'm size 0. And there is this, I believe this is going to be a book, किताब होगी. अब मैं पढ़ाई लिखाई तो करता नहीं तो मेरे काम की नहीं है, but still it's a very nice bag book. I mean, आप रख लो, आप पढ़ लो, notes बना दो, to do list, because what happens is ना she keeps forgetting everything, so I have to keep reminding her.
कुछ भी.
And तीसरी चीज मेरी काम की है, which is an Audi A8L scale model. इसको छोड़ दो, ये मेरी. अरे Audi collections है. You know what? I just recently got another limousine. This is A8L. L stands for limousine.
know.
So I have got the A-class limousine scale model as well. So दोनों के साथ मैं खेलूंगा.
So that you got this, I got. ये मेरे पास रहेगा.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
गाड़ी में किसने वेट किया? अच्छी लग रही है ना? It looks good actually. But इस पे वेरिएंट नेम नहीं लिखा हुआ. Which engine and all I don't know. So I'm trying to see which engine is there inside this. Screwdriver से इसको खोलना पड़ेगा ताकि we can drive it all over the place. That said, today is a very hectic day because MC40i का पूरा शूट करना है. Although car is there tomorrow also. Tomorrow I think I will do photographs. And I need to shoot reels of Compass, Tiguan Allspace. So it's a very hectic day today. And in the night I could not sleep properly because I was actually sitting and editing today's vlog, which was the M8 lifestyle vlog. तो अभी घर जाएंगे, खाना खाएंगे, and then when the sun goes down a little bit, then we start shooting. That's the plan for the day. Just finished the driving vlog. एकदम natural है because obviously the car is so good. I love this car, the M340i. But now we have come to pick up the Tiguan as well ताकि दोनों का कलर सेम है तो थोड़े बहुत फोटोज साथ में भी ले लेते हैं इन गाड़ियों के. एक्चुअली कंपस को भी लेके जाना था लेकिन अभी टाइम नहीं है ज़्यादा बिकॉज लाइट इज गोइंग वेरी फास्ट. लाइट इज सो डाइसी ना, क्या इशू हो जाता है ना, इधर द लाइट इज़ वेरी गुड which means it's not there for long. You see how bright it has got all of a sudden and then all of a sudden it will go, so फिर ग्रेन आना शुरू हो जाता है. तो अभी इसके बीच में ही मतलब ये तो रोज़ का ही है, बारिश का सीज़न बेस्ट होता है. फाइनली द वॉक अराउंड ऑफ द 3 सीरीज हैज़ बीन डन. कितनी बार कर चुका हूँ? थर्ड टाइम. 320D, 330i and now 340i and now hopefully soon on the M3 as well, but उसका ग्रिल थोड़ा बहुत अजीब है. That said, now we're going to take photos. Now when you park the car side by side, now the colors are not that identical, which is actually fine because obviously BMW and Audi group, the VW group have different paint shades. Now you won't believe that a sedan is so low ना कि मैं गाड़ी को मतलब एकदम मिरर टच करते करते below the Tiguan's mirror, the 3 series का mirror निकल गया आराम से because that is the height of the Tiguan, although it's not even a full size, full fledged body on frame SUV. That's how it is. Nooren did not really like the Tiguan as much. She's like, गाड़ी अच्छी है लेकिन पावर नहीं है. And obviously you're driving a 6-cylinder engine petrol car and you'll be like 4 cylinders में तो मिलेगा ही नहीं. Now of course Skoda also uses this engine, that's why she did not like it much. How do you like
कुछ भी
the
बकवास.
Allspace?
कुछ भी.
How do you like the Allspace? अरे घूम के बात करो ना.
Look at this. This color is different. This color is different. Look at this.
Yasmin has come in the Brezza, you can see behind. अच्छा, tell me something ना. How do you like the Allspace? तुमसे पूछना हूँ Allspace कैसी लगी?
अच्छी है.
ये कैमरा है, ये मिरर नहीं है बाल बनाने के लिए. चलो let's take photos before the light goes.
You're coming in the.
सेल्फी मैंने ले लिया, सेल्फी मैंने ले लिया, सर पे मेरे रहता ताज.
चलो काम पे लगो.
Flying in this.
Remember how I was screaming about the light going? Well, light has gone. जितना शूट करना था उतना नहीं हुआ, which means that कल again I have to come to shoot this car, the BMW 3 Series of course. Tiguan का ऐसे कुछ शूट नहीं है तो वो टेंशन फ्री है, but I think Compass का भी थोड़े बहुत फोटोज लेने हैं, which I'll finish tomorrow. Now I'm going to go home, then freshen up, then go for dinner, and then of course कल वापस जल्दी उठ के शूटिंग करनी है. बहुत सारे वीडियो शूट करने हैं. All of a sudden now if you go out for 9 days now, pressure builds like crazy. So that is the end of this vlog. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That's the like button and also subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video real soon. Bye bye. So where are you taking us for dinner?
Where you want to go?
We want to go to the most expensive place, which is Intercontinental Dome. What say?
इससे better places भी है, okay? कुछ भी. Like, I'm not sure मुंबई के कौन से हैं, but then what about Taj Falaknuma, Hyderabad?
For that we need to go to Hyderabad. That is Nooren is taking us. Nooren Bhabhi.
अरे बस करो यार. ये कैमरामैन रिपोर्टर सब कुछ कैप्चर करते
जानना चाहते हैं हम आपसे, बताइए हमें कैसी लगी आपको ये गाड़ी, क्या ये गाड़ी तेज है या नहीं है?
हाँ तेज है।
नहीं जानना चाहते हम, अब हम आपसे जानना चाहते हैं कि आपको ये गाड़ी पसंद आई या नहीं।
सेक्सी है, क्या कलर है उसका?
दोनों गाड़ियों का कलर ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर है।
बट उसका थोड़ा अलग है, सी ना, अलग है उसका कलर भी।
ओके बाय।
दिखने में तो अच्छा लग रहा है।